Hello, good morning to you all. Today I'll show you how you can change the default image of the folder. So for example, this is the folder icon image where we will have usually means normally this is the default picture for every Windows operating system. This is the common icon for a folder. So if you observe here, I have okay. This is also a folder here, but I have changed this folder icon image into a free image. Yes, this is a folder image. So you can also change the default folder image to some other by right clicking on the particular folder. For example, if you want to change this, just go to right click and go to properties, because I have seen some queries regarding that how to change the icon image of default folder to any image. But okay, here you can click on the customize here, and you can find the option change icon here. So click on the change icon. Whether you can keep a picture or you can choose any other default option which is directly given by the Windows operating system. But make sure that if you want to change any any image which you download or any image which you create icon image, that image should be in the format of bitmap. Means the PNG it is not taking, because if we keep the PNG image as an icon, as a folder icon, that is just taking as a blank. So better you take a bitmap image. I have tried bitmap image. Okay, here you can choose any of that and click on apply and click on OK. Here you can observe something has changed as the folder icon. So this is how you can actually change. But if you want to have your own image or something like that, try it with the bitmap image. You can do that with something like that. As in the paint you can save as and choose the format as uh, bitmap. I think it is available in the paint itself. I'll check it once. When you are saving, you can click on the drop down here and you can uh, click on this one and you can save it. Once you save this, you can try to what's this name, how to delete the chat in Instagram. See here, .bmp bitmap image. See here, it will take. Okay, click OK and click apply and click on OK. So as the size it is too big, it is not taking. If you try, you can do it. I hope you like this and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.